Tesla and the AGI dream. Traders and investors remain deeply captivated by Elon Musk's sweeping pronouncements about Tesla's ambitious role in the development of artificial intelligence generalization, autonomous robotaxi networks, and humanoid robotics through its Optimus program. Musk has positioned Tesla not merely as an electric vehicle manufacturer, but as a foundational player in what he describes as the coming intelligence revolution, a narrative that continues to command outsized attention on Wall Street and in retail trading communities alike. Whether parsing his posts on X or dissecting his earnings call commentary, market participants treat Musk's vision statements as potential catalysts, fueling sharp moves in Tesla's share price, even when concrete timelines remain vague or speculative. Nowhere is this tension more visible than around Tesla's psychologically significant $400 price level, which has emerged as a fiercely contested line in the sand. Bulls argue that a sustained break above this threshold would confirm a new bullish chapter for the stock, one underpinned by the transformative potential of full self driving technology, a mass market robotaxi rollout, and the long term promise of Optimus robots as a scalable revenue stream. Bears, however, point to a mounting wall of skepticism. A string of analyst downgrades and price target reductions in recent months have cast doubt on near term fundamentals, with declining automotive margins, intensifying competition from Chinese EV makers, and slowing global demand, all cited as headwinds. For these skeptics, $400 represents not a launch pad, but a ceiling, a level where selling pressure is likely to overwhelm optimism. Beyond the charts, Elon Musk's highly public persona continues to be a source of both fascination and frustration. His prolific activity on X, the social media platform he owns, regularly generates headlines that ripple through Tesla stock, sometimes divorced entirely from the company's operational performance. Critics have grown louder in questioning whether Musk's attention is sufficiently focused on Tesla at a time when the company faces real financial pressure. Profits have declined meaningfully from their peak, and a pattern of bold predictions, from full autonomy deadlines to Optimus production milestones that have repeatedly slipped, have eroded credibility with a portion of the investor base. Some analysts and shareholders have begun asking pointed questions about governance and distraction, particularly given Musk's simultaneous leadership roles at SpaceX, XAI, and other ventures. Yet, for many retail investors and long term believers, that very audacity remains the core of Tesla's investment thesis, a bet less on today's earnings and more on the possibility that Musk's grandest visions eventually become reality.
Okay, so Tesla is almost at the psychological $400 price. This is Wednesday, the 4th of March, pre market session, up 1.74%. Volume so far 1.74 million shares. 50-day average is usually around 62 million. It has a beta of 1.8, so it amplifies the broader market by a factor of 1.8. So if the market is down 2%, it's likely going to be down around 3.6%. This is how it has been, behaving. This is how it has been behaving relative to the broader market. So this is statistical. Okay. Okay, the stock is yes, this is reflecting this is the pre-market session price, not $400 there, So the stock is correcting within a medium-term trend and consolidating within a strongly bullish trend. So it is correcting within a bearish medium-term trend within a strongly bullish trend. Okay, so the bullish trend is underscored by its bullish 200-day moving average. Okay, this one's sloping upwards. Then the medium term trend is which is bearish, is underscored by its 40-day moving averages. So it's showing weakness. So it's a mix of things. So in the medium term, we have the right order 10, 21, 40. It's declining. Okay, But within the bigger picture, the long term trend, it's consolidating because we still have these fast moving averages, the 10 faster moving averages, the 10, 21, 40 are still above the 200 day moving average. So the stock is still consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. So projections here are saying nothing to the upside, nothing. All the projections we have here are bearish as of now, but before now, some of them were bullish. We had 422, 435, 4444. This was as of Monday, the 2nd of March. But since Tuesday, they thought it has stopped reiterating some of those bullish projections, those upper projections. The extrapolation of its 3 day moving average is that lower prices is expected to continue to print up till the 8th of March. After that, they might attempt to bounce. Okay, so let's see what we have. The momentum is expected to continue to weaken, going all the way towards the 10th of April. They might attempt to bounce after that, but what could possibly be responsible for a possible bounce on Tesla come the 9th of April. Okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at its weekly chart to see whether we have any correlation, whether we see any alignment. Yeah, Tesla is yeah, let's see here. On the weekly chart, it is equally consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Yes, 200 week moving average, 200 week moving average is sloping bullishly upwards, and then we have a mix of things. The Yeah, they're all pointing downwards. So in a scenario, the short term moving averages, the shorter term moving average, they are pointing downwards. In a situation like this, you want the faster moving averages leading. If they're pointing downwards, then you want the faster moving averages leading. But we don't have that. The 200 day moving average is still leading. Even the 40 week moving average is still leading. So it's still consolidated, and that is what is still expected to continue to play out all the way towards the 14th of September. That's a very long time to come. But in any case, in the very short term, let's see whether we have any alignment. Yes, up till the 30th of March, we have an alignment. And I think from the night of 6th of April, 9th of April, yes, we have an alignment. Yes, we have an alignment. But there's also no guarantee that this is exactly what is going to happen. Yeah, there's no guarantee that this is what's going to happen. So let's return to the week daily chart. All right, let's see what we have on a 4 hour chart. Here on the 4 hour chart, consolidation is expected. Yeah, consolidation is expected up to Tuesday the 10th. Not expected to go beyond its 40 period moving average. Is expected to serve as a primary supply line. If it closes within one standard deviation of that moving average, supply will ensue. It's There's an anticipation that that will happen up to twice before the 10th of March. Yeah, before the 10th of March. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Here on the 4 hour chart, we have 397.5, 388, 383. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's going on. Still, yeah, it's now $400. Okay. And the shares are increasing. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. See what you make of Tesla stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.